Friends, my name is Miss Jenny. Welcome to Math Lab. In today's Math Lab, we're going to learn how to understand the quantities 0 through 5. What is a quantity? Let's find out. Friends, in today's Math Lab, we are going to learn about the word quantity. Quantity means how many or how much. Look at the set of butterflies. How many butterflies do you see? Let's touch and count each butterfly. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The quantity is 5. And I can represent the number 5 using the written numeral 5. 5 fingers. I can even use 5 dots. Friends, take out your whiteboard, marker, and eraser and push play when you're ready to continue. The word we are learning about today is quantity. Quantity means how many or how much. We have 5 butterflies in this set. We can represent 5 using the written numeral 5. We can use our 5 fingers. We can also use a 5 frame to represent the quantity 5. And we can also use dots to represent the quantity 5. I have a question for you, my friends. If I were to draw 5 dots like this, and then 5 dots again like this, did my number change? Let's see. Here we go. Ready? Let's count and mark the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops. Oh my goodness. No matter how I drew my dots, I still had 5 dots. So let's look at these butterflies. Da-da-da. And I'm going to take them off my 5 frame. Right now, they're in a line. What if I changed the arrangement? Do I still have 5 butterflies? Let's touch and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The number is still the same, no matter the arrangement. Let's try a different number. Let's try this quantity. How many do you see in this group? That's right. I see 4 ducks. I have my ducks in a row. Yay! I have my ducks like this in a square. Did my number change? No. I have a question for you, friends. This shows the quantity 4. What if I moved my ducks over here? Does this still show the quantity 4? Yes, 2 and 2 is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What if I showed my ducks like this? Do I still have 4? Yes, 3 and 1 is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you're not sure if the quantity is the same, you can always count the set. So let's take a look at this screen. Friends, let's look at these colored circles and let's see if the numbers or the quantities are the same. Count the dots on the red circle. I'm going to count and mark the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hmm, friends, what about the dots on the yellow circle? They're in a different arrangement, but do you still see 5 dots? Give me a thumbs up for yes, a thumbs down for no. Hmm, how can I be sure what the number is? Let's count and mark. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. There are 5 dots on the red circle and 5 dots on the yellow circle. Even though the arrangements are different, they both have 5 dots. Hmm, what about the blue dot? Does the blue dot have 5 circles? Thumbs up for yes, thumbs down for no. Hmm, how can we be sure? Let's count and mark. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The blue circle also had 5 dots. Now, friends, I want you to count the dots on the orange circle and the green circle. Do they still have 5 dots? Hmm, I'm double checking by counting and marking. Yes, the orange dot does also have 5 dots. What about the green dot? The green dot also has 5 dots. Good job, my friends. Friends, this activity showed us that you can show a quantity in different arrangements and it's still the same quantity. Like we took 5 dots, for example, we put those 5 dots in a row. We put those 5 dots in a circle. We tried all sorts of different arrangements and it was still the number 5. Friends, a quantity means how many or how much. And we discovered the quantity 5 can be arranged in different ways without changing the number. Give yourself a pat on the back and say, I am so smart. I am so smart. Great work.